Welcome back, guys, and I have a very simple and easy recipe for you today. It's some vegetable chow mein and some baked chicken, and I did make my own type of seasoning, mix them up. So you might be seeing me put in a little bit of seasoning, and you might be saying, what kind of little bit of seasoning she putting up in there? But guys, check the description box below and you will get every detail that you need. Okay, so let's get started. Over here I have some chicken that I did wash and clean thoroughly. I pat dry them with paper towel. So this is my seasonings guide that I did mix together, and oh my gosh, it is heavenly. When a seasoning has Old Bay, Old Bay seasoning, you can well imagine, mixed with smoked paprika. Oh yeah, I have some of my very own homemade green seasonings along with some yellow mustard, and I'm gonna massage this chicken. All right. You want to make sure that the seasoning gets all under that skin. Once I'm done with this, I'm going to cover it up, place it in the refrigerator, and let it sit for 1 hour to be marinated. So over here, I have some tomato ketchup. And guys, if you do not have barbecue sauce, trust me, you can come up with your own little concoction. I'm adding some yellow mustard, some of my homemade green seasonings, and this homemade green seasonings has onion, garlic, ginger, and oh yes, it's very spicy. I'm also going to be adding some orange juice into this mixture along with some brown sugar, and the brown sugar is going to bring in that little sweetness. Now give it a good mix. So into my baking dish, I'm going to add the chicken, and now I'm going to pour this sauce that, oh my goodness, I can't stop talking about this sauce, guys. It's tasty and nice. I'm going to pour the sauce right over this chicken. Place it into the oven just as it is without a foil. You want this chicken to bake in all the juice. Oh my goodness. Can't stop talking about this chicken, alright? This chicken is going to bake for 1 hour and 20 minutes. But in the first hour, I'm going to remove it. And this is what it looks like. So now I'm going to pour the juice right over the chicken. Just like so. This kitchen is so full of flavor. And from the look of this chicken with the juices, guys, trust me, this chicken is soft, it is moist, it is tender. I'll pop it right back into the oven after this for another 20 minutes. While this is in the oven, over here I have a pot of boiling water, and I'm going to add 8 ounces of Chow-Mein noodles into this pot along with some salt. You want this to boil until it is tender. Once it's tender and nice, I pour it into a sieve and pour a lot of cold water onto this chow mein. Onto the chow mein, guys. The cold water helps to stop the cooking process. It may look a little clammy, but no, it's good because you're going to see when I do my chow mein, it's going to be just loose and nice. So over here I have 1 large onion, 3 cloves of garlic, and some ginger. I just love to use ginger. in almost everything that I cook. Over here I have some red bell pepper, carrots, some cabbage, along with some broccoli. And feel free to use any kind of vegetables into your chow mein. So over medium heat, I have a pan with 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and I'm now adding 2 more tablespoons of sesame oil. You want to add the onions, garlic, and ginger into this pot and saute them for 1 minute. So guys, I did not realize that my camera battery died. So what I did, I add the carrots first, then I add the red bell pepper, and now I add the broccoli along with some cubes, and the cubes is for flavor. And you don't want the vegetables to be too soft. You just want them to be crunchy and nice. Now I'm going to add the cabbage. And once I add the cabbage into this mixture here, I'm going to turn off the heat from under the pot. Just saute them, just stir it up like this and remove it from the heat. Now right over to the chow mein. I place the chow mein into a mixing dish. Now I'm adding some 5 spice powder. The 5 spice powder brings up that unique flavor, along with 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. And then I'll give it a mix, making sure that everything is well combined. Now I'm going to add my stir-fried vegetables. Mix it well. This is such a simple and easy dish, guys. Anybody can make some chow mein. It's a fast meal. All right. I'm not done. I'm going to add some freshly chopped parsley into this chow mein. And you have some chow mein. So this is what it looks like. And guys, let me tell you, I did not realize that I wasn't filming at this moment. You know, I didn't get to show you when I removed the chicken from the oven, but that's all right. You know, I cooked some vegetable chow mein along with some chicken. So here is my meal. Quick, easy, simple, and delicious. So give it a try. Give my video a thumbs up and enjoy. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.